cold, my breathing like a fog. Summer's over, no more birds to sing their songs. Steps, my dirty.
Hi, I'm Deana.
And I'm Duane, and we're the best of us, the Floros. We're out here getting our walk in a winter wonderland today.
Boy, it is.
Nothing gonna stop me living it up, dancing to the backbeat, turning it up. Nothing gonna stop me living it up, dancing to the backbeat, turning it up.
Summer's over, no more birds to sing their songs. Steps, my dirty tracks left in the snow. Bruised and battered, I've gone as far as I can go. I can see you in your cabin, light beyond the trees. Hear your voice now from a distance, calling out to me. Come on in from the cold, come on in from the outside. Come on in from the cold, come on in from the outside.
You're pretty loud.
I'm trying to be. I want my presence to be known. I can sing a Christmas melody for you while we're at it.
Go ahead.
Well, the weather outside, it's frightful, but we're oh so delightful. We have no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Boy,
I'm impressed.
That'll go places.
Just keep showing.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere we go. Okay, I feel a song coming on. So it's time to get out and just walk in the neighborhood and enjoy winter wonderland as the snow begins to fall again.
Yeah, it is coming down really fine.
Yes,
I thought we were done.
not a chance.
So we had a great, I put my hood up because it's snowing harder, but
So I hope you, like us, we had a great Thanksgiving.
yeah, we did.
We had a lot of fun, crazy stuff, and good stuff. And looking forward to the next event, Christmas.
Christmas.
It's going to be here before we know it.
Right.
And this is kind of setting the backdrop for it.
It is.
It wasn't just here. Snow is all over the place. I mean,
Right.
this is a large front that came through. So make the best of it. And enjoy yourself out there.
Right.
Stay warm.
And we're freezing right now.
That's right. That's what made me think to say stay warm. Because it is a little chilly.
Well, we just wanted to say hello, and we want to encourage you all to watch our short story. It kind
Yes.
of tells you what we are going to be doing during this time when we're not camping. We're still going to be looking around and just hiking.
Mm-hmm.
And we're using our All Trails app to do that with. So if you don't have it, you should download it. It's free. If you want to upgrade it, you can and get a little bit more information. We are going to be here all winter, and it's just good to be home.
Yes.
That's why we love to be weekend warriors. And so we will have updates here and there, and then we'll go full time as far as posting next season when we can start camping. Sometimes we camp in March, so I'm not real sure. But we just wanted to say hello.
Hey, enjoy the trails before you. They're
right.
out there.
So,
They're covered with white right now, but they're out there.
Yeah. So we love you all and hope you have a great Christmas, and we will see you soon on video.
Bye now.
Bye-bye.
Shadow through the trees, hear your voice now from a distance, calling out to me. Honey, come on in from the cold. Come on in from the outside. Come on in from the cold. Almost losing the daylight.